In this video, we will set the Toshiba AS3 drive to switch between two frequency sources. From standard mode, press the escape button once to go to setting mode. Then select basic parameters and press OK. Scroll to Run Command Select and press OK. Make sure this is set to option 0, Terminal. You cannot use option 1, Operation Panel, for this function. Press OK. Now select Frequency Command, select 1 and press OK. In this example, we will use a 4 to 20 milliamp source, so select option 3, Terminal II, and press OK. Press Escape once to return to the setting mode screen. Now select Direct Access and press OK. Enter parameter number 207 and press OK. This is the parameter for our second analog source. In this example, we will use the capacitive touch wheel as our second source. Select option 10, touch wheel 1, and press OK. Now enter parameter number 114 and press OK. This is the parameter that defines the function of terminal S1. Scroll to option 104, which is frequency mode /F207 priority switching, and press OK. This tells the drive to switch between frequency command 1 and the frequency option chosen with parameter 207, which was terminal II for our 4 to 20 milliamp signal. Now press escape until you return to the standard mode screen. I'll now give the drive a forward direction command by closing a contact between a common wiring terminal and the F wiring terminal. Notice the top right of the drive display highlights the F for forward direction. When I increase the 4 to 20 milliamp signal to the drive starts to run and the frequency changes. When I close a wiring contact between common and wiring terminal S1, the drive starts to follow the frequency setting of the touch wheel. Press the OK button to change the frequency setting of the touch wheel. The drive follows that setting. When I open the contact closure to terminal S1, the drive immediately switches to the frequency source of the 4 to 20 milliamp signal. I can switch the contact closure between the common wiring terminal and wiring terminal S1 back and forth to have the VFD follow either source.